This video will show you how to find articles in the database ERIC. What is ERIC? ERIC stands for Education Resource Information Center. In ERIC, you can find academic, peer-reviewed articles, education reports, magazine articles, and much, much more. ERIC is sponsored by the Institute of Education Sciences, part of the U.S. Department of Education, and has been around since 1964. So you can find a lot of historic as well as recent articles and resources in ERIC. From the library homepage, under Resources, click on Databases. Then from the Browse Databases from A to Z drop-down menu, select ERIC, then hit the Go button. So before we start doing research in the database, we want to figure out our search terms and keywords. So here's my research topic. How does the lack of reliable internet access affect success in education? Our keywords are internet access, education, and success. We also have a related term for internet access, which is the digital divide. I'm going to be using some of these keywords to do my search. So my search term is going to be digital divide. You can see that the database gives you some suggestions for other search terms you can use. You can try these out, or you can keep your original search term. I'm going to keep my original search term and click on the search box. Here are my results. From here, you can narrow your results by using the options under Refine Results. You can limit to peer-reviewed, aka academic articles. You can also limit by date, for example, the last 10 years. You can even limit by subject if you want, or geography. For some articles, like this one, you can download the article file directly. You can tell because it says PDF full text. Here's the PDF file of that article. For others, you'll have to click on the full text from ERIC link. Let's look at this article called The Digital Divide and Inequalities for Students with Disabilities. Needed a Bridge Over Troubled Waters. I'm going to click on the title of the article to access it. So we have the article's title, the author of the article, the journal the article came from, and the year the article was published. If you scroll down, you can see some descriptors, sometimes also called subject terms. You can use these to come up with other keywords to do more research on your topic. We also have the article's abstract. This is a brief summary of the article, and it can be useful to read this abstract before reading the whole article so you have some idea of whether the article will be useful for your research needs. Now, to get access to this article, if you scroll up, you'll see the full text from ERIC link. I'm going to click on this link, and it's going to take me to the ERIC website. You can go to Download Full Text to download the text of this article. And then here is the full text of the article. Now you can search in ERIC directly. If you do that, you want to make sure you click on Full Text Available on ERIC so you can have access to the resources you find. But one of the advantages of using the library database is that if you go back to the article from the library database, if you click on Cite and you scroll down, it'll give you the citation for the article in both APA, Chicago, and MLA. You can also email the article to yourself and include the works cited or reference citation, again in APA, Chicago, or MLA. To review, ERIC allows you to find academic, peer-reviewed articles, education reports, and much more. Access ERIC through the library website. You can narrow your results to certain types of articles, dates, and subjects. For some articles, you can download or email the article file directly. Others, you will have to click on the full text from ERIC link.